how to build our own piñata. SQ2 Squirrel Squared. Okay, we have our dragon now here, and what I want to do with this part is, because I want to save it, I want to cover it with this plaster molding roll. They are very, very cheap, and apparently you cut these clothes inside and you put it in a bit of water that I just put here, and you put it on and it dries pretty quickly. After tons of hours, here we are. I applied, oh, here's this Cooper, if you can see. Say hi, Cooper. So, dog bombing, hello. This is Cooper, say hi. So I applied the molding plaster, roll, strip, whatever. It's not absolutely necessary. I did it just because I really hope to save the head and the tail so we can use it later on as a decoration. And as you can see, I did it, I don't know, no, you can't see because it's too big, so let me move it. It's heavy. As you can see, there's the central part here that is not covered in plaster, and that's the part that contain the candies and knickknacks, all the stuff for the piñata. I left I don't know if you can see it. Let's see, yeah. I left this part here open so we can fill it on the day of the party, and we can still close it and it look pretty good. And this will be the part that hopefully it will broke first. And I hope to save the head and the last bit of the tail that you cannot see because it's way too long. So I add, as you can see, I add 2 legs. Same process, you just take a little bit of paper, like old paper, you crush it like in a ball or in a roll as I did, and just put it together. Same process. It's not, as you can see, it's not, you know, super good shape, but it's fine. It's a piñata. It's not a realistic sculpture, so that will do. Husband went to Hobbycraft yesterday and got me these big tubes of ready mixed paint. It was very cheap, and it's like a lot quicker because it's done. I have my plate to use, one brush, and I have this one, this cloth here, because I needed a sponge, but I cannot find one this morning. I have no idea where I put it, and I didn't have enough time to search it, so I'm using this one to blend the two color and do a little bit of like marmorized effect. We'll see how it come out. And here is Penny. Hello, Penny. Penny, say bye. I don't know if you can see her. Hello. Yes, I forgot to close the door, and that's what happened. Hello, Penny. They come and see me. Do you want to help me? Do you want to attack the dragon? No, you can't attack the dragon. Well, and she abandoned me. Whoops. And hello back. Here we are. It's finally finished. It took a lot more work than I thought, but that's because I decided to do it big. As you can see, it's like huge. I had to adjust a little bit the idea that I had at the beginning, because I wanted to do it massive, but I'm very happy. I really liked it. I decided to do a tongue like this that stick out because Chloe found this amazing kind of like foam that has this feeling like the cat tongue when we went to Hobbycraft, and it was like 80 cents, so it's not even a pound, so it was very, very cheap, so we bought it and we decided to use it for the tongue. I simply draw and paint the eyes and the nose, and here it is. Now the only thing that we need to do is fill it up and take it to the party Saturday. So if you like this project, if you like how big it turned out, or simply if you want to support me in this crazy idea, remember to subscribe to our channel, ring that bell if you still didn't do that, please, so you will not miss any other video or crazy idea that I have. And remember to like and comment. Let me know if you like it, what can I improve, what do you think should be my next project, and I can pick your idea, so put your idea down in the comment. Thank you very much for watching in this very long video. It was worth it? I hope so. It was worth it for me? Surely yes, because I love that so much. And I have my own dragon for like 48 hours, because after a bunch of kids will kill my dragon. It's fine, it will be fun, and it will be filled with a lot of candies. So, thank you very much, squirrel. Bye, see you next week.